All hands on deck. Unpacking the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, all hands on deck. This phrase is not only vivid and evocative but also a great example of how English uses nautical terms in everyday language. Let's set sail and discover the meaning, origin, and how you can use this phrase in your daily English conversations. All hands on deck is a phrase that originally comes from the nautical world, specifically from the days of sailing ships. Hands refers to the crew members on a ship, and deck refers to the main area of the ship where the crew works. When the captain or another officer shouted this command, it meant that every crew member, no matter what their usual job was, needed to come to the deck to help. This was usually because the ship was facing a difficult situation, such as a storm or a battle, that required everyone's effort to navigate or resolve. In modern language, all hands on deck has taken on a broader meaning. It's used to indicate a situation where everyone's effort is needed, regardless of their normal roles or responsibilities. This can be applied to work projects, family duties, emergency situations, and more. It's a call to action, signaling that all available resources and personnel need to be utilized to tackle a challenge. To make this phrase a part of your English vocabulary, let's look at some examples. 1. In a work environment, your company is launching a new product next week, and there's still a lot to be done. The manager says, "We need all hands on deck to ensure a successful launch." 2. During a family gathering, preparing for a big family reunion at home, your parents might say, "We need all hands on deck to get the house ready before everyone arrives." 3. In emergency situations, during natural disasters like floods or hurricanes, community leaders might announce, "This is an all hands on deck situation. We need every volunteer we can get." These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to various contexts, emphasizing teamwork and collective effort. While all hands on deck is a versatile phrase, its use is particularly impactful in contexts that call for urgency or collective effort. It's important to note that this phrase carries a sense of immediacy and significance, so it's best used in situations that truly require everyone's participation and hard work. Using it in everyday, mundane situations might dilute its effectiveness or cause confusion about the urgency of the task at hand. We hope this deep dive into the phrase, all hands on deck, has been enlightening and will help you in both understanding and using this phrase in your English conversations. Remember, language is not just about words but the stories and contexts they carry. Whether you're navigating the high seas of English language learning or the collaborative efforts of daily life, knowing when to call for all hands on deck can be a valuable skill. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more interesting insights into the English language. Safe travels on your language learning journey.